Why are we not giving lectures? Why are we not making any publicity for Germanische Heilkunde? Why are we not talking about medicine in relation to Germanische Heilkunde? We are glad that information about the discovery of Dr. Ryke Geerd reaches increasing numbers of people, and that people want to learn about Germanische Heilkunde in various short lectures or presentations. However, we cannot satisfy this wish with good reason. Germanische Heilkunde is so comprehensive and complex that it cannot be covered in a lecture. This is our view based on more than 20 years of experience as lecturers. One of our Germanic Heilkunde team said, "That would be like trying to force the ocean into a puddle. It just doesn't work." Let's explain this a little. What is happening in the world today is the consequence of missing sovereignty. Since centuries or even longer, our behavior has been shaped by the system in such a way that we have totally given up sovereignty. This caused a catastrophic situation, especially regarding the body, and if we consider the soul to exist, also regarding the soul. This can be seen very clearly today and globally. Our work focuses on the future, which means that our goal is not to help in therapeutic ways, but to encourage people to start learning and to become independent again by having a profound knowledge of the Germanische Heilkunde. As a result, these people are also able to create a natural world for the future. The fact is, the knowledge of the Germanic does not only concern the body and the body of all living beings, but our whole way of life. It seems that many so-called know-it-alls, or rather correctors of the Germanic, would like to ignore this, and therefore they prefer to talk about medicine and health in one way or another. In short, the knowledge of Germanische Heilkunde does not only concern health-related issues, or whatever one understands the term health to mean. We think it is not our role to convince people, since the knowledge of Germanische Heilkunde is convincing in itself, if you only let it have a chance to reach you. Germanische Heilkunde is far too complex for any brief summary, so we refer you to Dr. Hammer's website, where you will find enough information to get an idea of the far-reaching significance of the Germanic. If the information on Dr. Hammer's website does not awaken the reader's desire to know and to learn, then that's just the way it is. Then no lecture and no one-time presentation will be of any help. Our aim is to prepare the ground for the precious and life-giving seed of Germanische Heilkunde, because only enthusiastic people and those with a thirst for knowledge will be able to take that Germanic with them into the age of the Germanic, the age that has already begun, but many are not yet aware of. You find plenty of information and books in German and other languages by Dr. Hammer in the online shop of Amici di Dirk, and the 4-year educational program in English, German, Polish and Russian on the website of Dr. Hammer. The purpose of this program is to help you learn this knowledge in depth, step by step, so that you can finally live according to Germanische Heilkunde. The significance of Dr. Hamer's discovery is too important to take a superficial approach to Germanische Heilkunde. Thank you very much for your attention.
Ich lieb dich, mein Mädchen, seit 20 Jahren, seit mich dein Mund geküsst. Seit damals wir beide Studenten waren und die kleine Kapelle bei Nacht uns gegrüßt. Mädchen, mein Mädchen, seit die kleine Kapelle bei Nacht uns gegrüßt.